Hi, I'd like to ask you a key question. Are you making a really important mistake? Are you treating Udemy as your business? Or are you treating Udemy as your business partner? If you are a course creator, a digital instructor, and you publish on Udemy, I would like to share a secret with you. Udemy is not your business. Udemy is your business partner. So far, this is how it works. You create a course and upload it to Udemy. They scrutinize and quality control your content, and then when it's published, they take over. They do the marketing. They originate traffic and drive it to the udemy.com site. They get students, new and existing, to sign up and enroll in your courses. It is easy to separate the two processes. You publish, they promote and sell, which they do extremely well, by the way. So what are you missing here? Fundamentally, you are missing the customer. They own the customer, and in return for you providing and owning the content, they provide and own the customer. This is great as far as it goes, but what if it could go further? What if you are missing out on a whole stack of traffic which you could be sending to your courses to make extra sales? This is why you must look at Udemy as your business partner and not your entire business. Udemy provides a fantastic and evolving hosting environment for you to deliver your online courses. The fact that they also sell your courses for you is amazing. As you know, if you sell a course using one of your own coupons, which we normally do by running promotions to our existing Udemy students, then Udemy gives you 97% of the revenue from that sale. What does that tell you? It tells you that Udemy wants you to promote and sell your courses yourself. Too often we simply rely on Udemy to do all the selling and just focus on the course creation and managing our online students. This is where we go wrong. We treat Udemy as our business instead of our business partner. But the consequences of this are not to be ignored. To build a digital business with our business partner, Udemy, we need to learn a whole range of new skills, which up to now we have let Udemy take care of. We need to know how to find and attract new customers. We need to know how to grow and inspire our own communities. We need to know how to converse and engage with our tribe. In short, you need to know how to start, grow, and develop a digital business around your partnership with Udemy. Just imagine all those extra 97% sales. Essentially, every one of your sales is worth 2 of Udemy's internal sales, 50% revenue, or 4 affiliate sales, 25% revenue. This is why I have been focusing on developing the digital business skills I need to develop my partnership with Udemy, and I am going to be sharing them with you in the coming months. Please comment on this post to tell me what you find most difficult about growing your digital business. And please share this with your friends and invite them to join this movement of digital business transformation.